Hello, second graders. Today we're going to be talking about some more kinds of word problems, okay? And I'm going to say one. I have part of it written up here, okay? But I want you to listen to the whole problem as I say it. I have 8 daisies. Then I pick 4 more daisies. Okay, you have seen word problems that begin like this. What question could we ask to make this an addition problem? Okay, so I had 8 daisies. I went and picked 4 more daisies. I have to ask a question though, or that's just a sentence, a statement like we've been learning in grammar, okay? If I just say it, it's just a statement. I want to make it a question so that I'm asking a math problem. What question could I ask to make this an addition problem? What do I want to know? I want to know how many daisies I have all together, right? How many daisies do I have now? Now that I picked 4 more after I had 8, how many more daisies do I have? How many daisies do I have all together now? Okay, so if I ask that question and I answer it, the answer is I have 12 daisies because 4 plus 8 is 12. So I have 12 daisies. Now, here's where things are going to get just a little bit tricky. Okay, are you ready for this? Get your thinking caps. Make sure they're tight on your head. Okay, I have 8 daisies. Then I pick 4 roses. Ooh. Before I wanted to know how many daisies I had. But now I still want to make this an addition problem. But what do I have to change in my question to make it work? What do I have to change? Because now I'm not looking for just daisies, because if I was looking for just daisies, I have 8. If I'm looking for just roses, I have 4. But I want to know all together, so what word do I need to use? What word do I need to use? Flowers. Okay? Roses and daisies are both flowers. How many flowers do I have? Now, the answer to that would be 12 flowers. Okay? Sometimes things belong to a bigger group, and we have to think about the bigger group that they both belong in when we're looking for the total of them. Like if I say, I have 4 dogs and 5 cats. How many pets do I have? All right, because I don't want to just know about the dogs or just know about the cats. I want to know about all the pets together. Okay? So like I said, sometimes we have to think about the bigger group that something might belong to. Now, if I were to make a circle like this of different kinds of flowers, some things that I could put in there would be tulips. Tulips are flowers. Inside that group, I could also put roses. Roses are flowers. I could put daisies. They are flowers. Daisies are flowers. I could put sunflowers. Those are flowers. Okay? All of these flowers are their own kind of flower, but they all belong to the big group of flowers. Okay, if I said things like oranges, bananas, apples, and grapes, what large group would those all belong to? If you think it's fruit, give a thumbs up. If you think it's something else, give a thumbs down. Apples, pears, bananas, and grapes are all examples of fruit. All right, so they belong in the group called fruit. Very good. All right, now we're going to do a couple problems together on page 47 in your workbook. Page 47, we are going to read the directions first. Make a drawing, write an equation, solve the problem. We've been doing a lot of that lately. 3 steps. Make a drawing, write an equation, solve the problem. Theodore, sorry, I had to look at that. For some reason I thought it said teacher, but it doesn't. Theodore has 12 flowers in a vase. 12 flowers in a vase. 8 are daisies. The rest are roses. How many flowers are roses? Oh, he has 12 flowers in a vase. 8 of them are daisies. The rest are roses. And we're trying to find out how many are roses. So am I going to add the 8 to it, or am I going to take away from it? The total number of flowers I have is 12. So if I start with my total, it's a subtraction problem. Okay? So 12 minus 8 equals however many roses I have. 12 minus 8, if I count up 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, is 4. Okay? So I have 4 roses. So That's my equation. I didn't do my drawing. I skipped a step. So that's my equation. I need to make a drawing. So if I have 4 roses, or no, I want 12 flowers, right? I want 12 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to draw a line because I'm going to count out 8 of them because 8 of them are daisies. So I'm going to count out those 8 daisies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to make a line between my 8 daisies and the rest of my flowers. And the rest that I have left is 4, so that means I must have 4 roses. So there, made a drawing, wrote an equation. Now I need to solve the problem. So your answer goes in the box and on the line, okay? So I had 4 roses. 4 roses. All right, so that was number 1. Let's go ahead and do number 2 together also, okay? We'll do number 2 together also. So again, I need to make a drawing, write an equation, and then solve the problem. There are 13 animals at the animal shelter. For this one, I'm going to do a math mountain. 13 animals at the animal shelter. So that's my total, because there's 13 animals. 7 of them are dogs. 7 dogs. The rest are cats. Okay. How many cats are at the shelter? So I know my total, and I know one of my add-ins. I'm looking for that other add-in. So I need to climb the math mountain. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That leaves me 6 dots, so my answer must be 6. So I have 6 cats. Oh, I skipped a step again. I keep doing that. I drew my picture, I solved my problem, and I wrote it on my box and my line, but I still need to write an equation. So I'm going to do 13 minus 7 equals 6. Okay, so there's my equation, my math mountain, my picture, my equation, and my answer, okay? I want you to go ahead and do number 3 and then number 4 also, okay? Number 4, you just get to choose your own labels. So you get to decide if you're going to do fruit or pets or cars or whatever. The possibilities are endless, all right? Go ahead and do numbers 3 and 4 and then watch the next video.